Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our gold for the day. So those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on gold. At first, we were in an uptrend. Gold has literally been rallying up, giving us that massive bullish move. I think since last year. Uh, I think we started this movement around 2024. Gold has been rallying up, but right now market is currently giving us a current trend, which our current trend says it is a bearish move. Now this is our low. If you take a look at this here, this is our reversal pattern, which is a double top. Sorry, gave us one second touch and it eventually dropped, broke our neckline. So now we've gotten this old drop and with a pullback and a drop. Now, if you take a look at this, market has been injected at this level multiple times. When you zoom it in on your forward time frame, these are first rejection, these are second rejection, this is our third rejection. Market should be dropping again for here. So for the day, we should be expecting gold to drop to a level of 4057. That should be our next target on gold. Level of 4057 should be our target on gold.